Can't you hurry? We need to go find a spot.
Ah, auction day. These are the utmost grand of days. This is going to be so... Sincerest apologies. Brilliant, Mooney. Your foresight's great. Today's offer is a big one. Wait. No. That was very weird. What is wrong with you? Was that a rain rock I just felt?
Oh, shoot! They're going to cancel the auction! Darn, life is so unfair.
Salutations, sir. May I please enter? I have some urgent information to communicate to my pal Mooney. Good sir, your safety concerns are valid. However, you must be able to see that this is very important. Very, very important. Very much imperch.
Calculating threat level. Calculation terminated. Shut up and go in peace.
Thank you. See, it is so good to be in your presence again. Please speak to me through the body language of the gods. Indeed. Could you direct me to the correct way to reach Mooney? There is something important I want to provide to her. Good. Well, this is quite puzzling.
What are you even saying? Can't you say anything that makes sense? Like, jeez Louise, everything here is so weird.
Oh, no. I just came here to bring you a gift.
I don't see anything here. You are making a fool out of me. Oh, no way!